In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos to Trello cards quickly and easily. Trello is an incredibly versatile tool, and being able to attach videos to your cards can enhance your organizational process by leaps and bounds. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Trello board where you want to upload your video. Once you're on your board, locate the specific card where you'd like to attach your video file. Click on that card to open it up. You'll notice that a window pops up showing various options and details pertaining to that particular card. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it straightforward to customize and organize your tasks. Now that your card is open, look for the option labeled Attachment. It's typically displayed prominently under the card's title and description section. Click on Attachment to proceed. This option allows you to add various files, including videos, directly to your card, ensuring all necessary resources and information are easily accessible to you or your team members. Next, you'll want to click on Choose a File. This action opens up a dialog window where you can browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the location where your video file is stored, select the specific file you want to upload, and confirm your selection. With just these simple clicks, your video will begin uploading to your Trello card. This process is generally quick, but do keep in mind that upload times can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the video file. Once your video has finished uploading, it becomes a permanent fixture on your card. A great feature of Trello is that you can play the video directly from the card with just a single click. This not only makes it convenient for reviewing multimedia content, but also ensures you have everything you need for your project workflow in one place. Whether you're recording meeting highlights, capturing tutorials, or visualizing project concepts, embedding videos enriches the information on the card significantly. And just like that, you're done. As you can see, uploading videos to your Trello cards is a simple, efficient process that enhances the versatility of your boards. This can be particularly beneficial for teams who rely on visual content for their projects, or for individuals who want to integrate various media types into their organizational systems. Remember, a visual touch can sometimes make all the difference when managing tasks or conveying ideas. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now confident in uploading your video files to Trello. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.